Hello everybody, today an apple has fallen from its tree. This is an early 2014 Macbook Air that was kindly gifted to me from a friend. It is in really good shape, but the screen hinge is loose and the computer needs some cleaning. After disassembling the bottom cover, we can see that the board is pretty dusty, but in a really good condition. So, I'm going to disconnect everything, battery first for safety, and remove the board from the case, in order to clean it. As we can see, the internals are really dusty and the thermal paste is old and needs to be replaced. After cleaning everything, we can see how much better everything's look. The internals are looking brand new. Let's now focus on the hinge, and in order to do that, I need to detach the screen from the rest of the laptop. Under this cover, we can see how those three black screws are not tight anymore. So, I'm going to remove, put some thread locker on, and then tighten them back in order to prevent them from loosening again. After the reassembly, we can turn it on and see that everything is working fine, and the laptop is nice and clean and ready to work for years to come. That's it for today. Thanks again to my friend for this great gift. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you next week. But in the meantime, I'm Leo, and always remember to keep things alive.